What happens to your body when you eat okra? Are you an okra enthusiast? It's gaining popularity worldwide, and for good reason. Not only is it easy to cook, but it's also a staple ingredient in dishes like gumbos. In this video, we'll delve into everything you need to know about okra. From its origins in Africa and South Asia to tips on buying and cooking, we've got you covered. While okra may not be the most flavorful vegetable out there, it's definitely worth trying during summertime when it's cheaper and more flavorful. When shopping for okra, look for intact stems and smaller sizes to ensure tenderness. Don't worry about the stickiness, it thickens as you cook it. And if you're feeling adventurous, try grilling it until it's charred. But beyond its delicious taste, okra also offers numerous health benefits. Stay tuned to learn more about how it can positively impact your body. 1. Nutrient-dense. Nutrient-rich fruits and vegetables are a great way to keep your body healthy, and okra is no exception. Often overlooked as a fat-free food option, okra is surprisingly high in carbs and fiber, and boasts an impressive amount of protein compared to other produce. But that's not all. Okra is also a great source of essential vitamins and minerals, including magnesium, folate, and vitamin C. Vitamin C is particularly important for boosting your immune system and protecting against infections, while vitamin K plays a crucial role in blood clotting and preventing excessive blood loss in the event of an injury or wound. So don't forget about this nutritional powerhouse next time you're planning your meals. 2. Packed with antioxidants. Polyphenol are the star antioxidant found in okra, and they work in tandem with flavonoids, vitamin A, and vitamin C to provide optimal health benefits. Antioxidants play a crucial role in neutralizing free radicals, which can cause cellular damage and lead to premature aging. By reducing the number of free radicals in your body, antioxidants help keep you healthy and slow down the aging process, preventing dull and wrinkled skin. Research has shown that polyphenol, in particular, can improve heart health by promoting healthy blood vessels and reducing oxidative damage. Additionally, these antioxidants can enhance brain function by improving memory retention, boosting learning ability, and reducing inflammation in the brain. So don't forget to incorporate okra into your diet for a healthy dose of polyphenol and other important nutrients. 3. Keeps your heart healthy. Heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide, mainly caused by high cholesterol levels. Although the mucilage found in okra can be off-putting to some, it actually benefits your heart health. Mucilage is a gel-like substance that can bind to cholesterol during digestion, preventing it from being absorbed into your body and causing harm. Okra's ability to lower cholesterol levels has been supported by an animal study in which mice that consumed a high-fat diet mixed with okra powder had lower blood cholesterol levels than mice that did not consume okra. Polyphenol in okra are responsible for this effect, and they also help reduce inflammation markers in major organs, further lowering the risk of heart disease. Okra's versatility as a heart-healthy food is remarkable. 4. Reduces your risk of cancer. Uncontrolled cell growth leads to cancer in the body. Okra contains a specialized protein known as lectin, which can halt the growth of cancer cells. Breast cancer is increasingly prevalent among women today. In a test tube study, it was found that okra lectin can impede the growth of breast cancer by up to 63%. Similarly, it was observed to be effective against skin cancers. However, the reliability of these studies is limited since they were conducted in test tubes. Therefore, further research in humans is needed to make any firm conclusions. Nevertheless, including okra in your diet regularly may not harm and could potentially protect you against cancer in general. 5. Can lower your blood sugar. Over the years, research has shown that okra can have benefits for people with diabetes. Animal studies have indicated that regular intake of okra extracts can prevent blood sugar spikes by inhibiting the absorption of excess sugar in the digestive tract. This results in stable blood sugar levels. However, for those who are diabetic and taking regular medication, okra consumption may interfere with their blood sugar levels, causing them to fluctuate. It is important to consult with a doctor before adding okra to your diet if you are taking diabetes medication. 6. Great for pregnant women. Do you have a baby on the way or are you planning to get pregnant? Incorporating okra into your diet can provide benefits for the health of your child. Okra is rich in folate, a mineral that protects the unborn baby and strengthens its spine and fetus. Experts recommend that pregnant women consume 400 micrograms of folate daily, but studies have shown that many women do not meet this requirement. Consuming just 1 cup of okra can provide up to 15% of your daily folate needs, which is a great way to support the development of a strong and healthy baby. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.